Okay, so when in text, I was writing it like this, but what I meant was this number as an exponent. That's what this means. Or it could be used in English as like a typo or something missing, but in math, this means this number becomes an exponent. So, in the example I gave you where I said this, what I was saying was this. So, basically, this number is the number of times you move the decimal point. So, and this is a variable. So this can change depending on what number you're trying to write. So basically, when you have a exponent, the exponent is a positive number. You're moving this decimal point forward 2 times. So, well, backwards. Actually, yeah, backwards 2 times. So it went from here to 1, 2. You wouldn't have it here because it doesn't really matter anymore. But and here's an example of what I was given. So you'd have to move the decimal point 24 times. 24 times. Yay, 24 times. I don't know why I put an exclamation mark. It's just, woo, exciting. So this is basically what it would look like. This is why we use scientific notation. So, this is the example of the variable I was talking about. And also, the exponent can be negative, which means that you move the decimal point the other direction, so you would get this type of number. An example of that, I'll write an example. So here is my example. Hold up, pen. So basically, what we're doing is we're going to be moving the decimal point this way because the exponent is negative. So I'll quickly write that up. It's kind of hard to do this while filming. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It doesn't really this doesn't really mean how many zeros, it's more just how many times that you're moving the decimal point. I'm sorry, I'm repeating myself. There's no easy way to explain this, but yeah, I mean, that's kind of the easiest way I can explain it. If you have any questions, I guess message me about them and I may or may not have an answer. Okay, yay!